Hello everyone. On behalf of Arkansas State University Mountain Home, welcome to class. This is English 1013, also called Composition 2. This brief introduction to how this course works will give you an idea of how to approach each week and what you can expect for this class during the next 4 weeks. 4 weeks is short, and you learn just as much during the summer as you do during the fall. You may wonder whether this is possible. It is. However, we'll get to that. First, we'll go over some matters of housekeeping. And I want to briefly go over the structure of this course to make sure that you know what it takes to progress and get the grade you want. To begin, if you have technical problems with Blackboard, your first recourse is to email or call the help desk. If you send an email, it's best to take a screen clipping of the issue to send. They'll be able to see what is happening and you'll get an answer more quickly. If you have questions about the content of the class or how an assignment should be completed, some others may have the same question. Go ahead and use the clear as mud forum to ask your question. But if your question is personal in nature or specific to your assignment, please email me directly. Okay. Now that that's out of the way, each week when you enter the course, you should see the announcement page. This is the fastest way that I have available to communicating group feedback, assignment deadline extensions, tips for completing assignments, and other important timely info. After you finish reading the latest announcement, navigate to the assignments section where you will find a folder with all the content for the week. Each week has an intro video and outlines the key things that you will learn or accomplish in the week. To see the video expand, click at the mark on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. When you're finished, click Close. Click on the weekly folder link to review or complete any assignments for the week. It's critical that you pay attention to the weekly content. In this course, we don't have a textbook, and you can't pass the assignments or the course without mastering the core concepts each week. You may even have an assignment that directs you to review content before you complete it. To save your grade, be sure to review the content first. Each assignment has a length of time located next to the title. The time notation should help you to understand how long it takes the average student to complete the assignment. If you haven't taken a writing course in a while, or you're struggling with core concepts, you might want to give yourself a little extra time. Ultimately, you should spend between 9 and 12 hours each week working on the course. Most of the time that you spend in this course will be researching, writing, or revising. But remember, we don't have class. So, you need to spend that extra time that you would spend in class learning the concepts. You can do that through course videos and course lessons. Each week also has a freebies section. Who doesn't love freebies, right? That gives you free tools, supplemental resources, and sometimes extra credit opportunities. If you have any upcoming papers, you'll find the content at the bottom of the week before it's due, or on the left side navigation menu by clicking on the Essay Paper Guidelines link. You are welcome to work ahead. In fact, you're encouraged. And complete assignments in any order. But discussion boards will always be due on Wednesday, and the rest of the work will typically be due on Saturday or Sunday night. The only exception is the final paper, which is due on the last day of class. If you're a direction follower, you've probably already read the syllabus, reviewed the grading structure, and peeked at the course performance leaderboard. The leaderboard will make more sense to you as you start submitting weekly assignments and collecting points each week. As you collect more points, you'll achieve higher levels on the leaderboard. You can see how many of your classmates reach that level by checking out the course leaderboard by clicking on the left side navigation menu link. This board is updated every Monday. Some higher levels, as you achieve them, Unlock level perks, which can give you more flexibility in completing assignments and more opportunities for collecting points. You can see your cumulative points at any time by checking out your course grades and clicking on the grades link on the left navigation menu. Don't worry too much about the point system. You won't have to memorize any information, as the points for each week's assignments are explained, and each week they will be reiterated. Also, to be eligible for any extra credit opportunities, you need to submit your discussion boards by Wednesday, and the rest of the work before Saturday night at 9 p.m. Although we're squeezing 16 weeks worth of Composition 2 into 4 short weeks, it's possible to succeed if you stay on top of your workload. If for any reason you have a question, please don't hesitate to reach out. So, good luck to everyone in the class. I look forward to helping you make your success possible.